NEVERSTICK difference, won't stick, chip or flake. Superheated at 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit, plasma ceramic particles are fused to the surface of the pan, creating a super hard, textured surface that interlocks with our exclusive coating for a superior bond. 10-year guarantee. NeverStick Technology is our exclusive coating designed to withstand high heat cooking and aggressive scrubbing, and to deliver easy food release day after day without sticking, when used as directed. Hard-anodized exterior. This premium cookware has an extremely durable shot-blasted, hard-anodized exterior that resists scratches like stainless steel. Oven safe. Easily go from stovetop to oven to finish cooking meats, brown toppings, or bake like you can in cast iron. Lids, handles and nonstick coating are all oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Premium design. Stainless steel handles are ergonomically designed for comfort and double riveted for strength and maneuverability. The tempered glass lid has a 13 thick stainless steel rim to lock in moisture and ensure maximum visibility. Improved heat retention. The heavy-gauge 4.5 mm aluminum base is designed to prevent hot spots and to enable quick, even heat distribution for perfect results every time. Contains 30% more aluminum than Foodi NeverStick Essential C100 series. Sears like stainless. Sear like you can in stainless steel, without needing additional oil or butter. Plus, sauté, griddle, pan fry, shallow fry, braise, bake, roast, and broil with this multifunctional cookware set. Easy cleanup. NeverStick cooking surface wipes clean and is easier to clean than traditional stainless pans. Safe, easy to use. Exclusive NeverStick coating is metal utensil safe, easy to wipe clean and dishwasher safe. Made with only food safe materials. All range capable. Compatible with gas, electric, glass ceramic, and induction stoves. What's included? 11-inch wok. Top reviews from the United States. Great wok for induction. Cooked stir-fry the day I got it, and all I can say is I'm going to be replacing all my non-stick cookware with the Ninja brand because this thing cooks. Made the best marinated chicken I've ever had and took no time. Perfectly browned and juicy on the inside. High heat wins with this pan due to the super thick base, but the even heat is amazing all around the whole pan surface. Highly recommend, and the price reflects the high quality.